My name is Dru Jasnoch. I'm a double major in public policy and philosophy of law with a minor in economics. I'm from Gurnee, Illinois. I was interested in law probably middle of high school when I started to realize that I'm better at writing, reading, and I also am interested in government activity, so that's why I started with public policy major. And then after that, I started realizing that I was going to finish college early, so I started adding philosophy of law because then I could take some classes that related to law. Lewis actually reached out to me for baseball. The head coach, he came to one of my games, asked me if I wanted to come on and visit. Once I started really looking into the university, I found that I think I might like this place. Close to home, Catholic and LaSallian University. I found all those things very appealing. I think the teachers have been awesome. The athletes as a community from a small school, I think that's been an awesome, tight-knit group. We're all competing for the same thing, and I think that's really been an awesome experience.